Hi, I'm back again with grammar topic figures of speech. I've already uploaded one video of figures of speech which contains about 6 types. You can refer that video. Link is given in the description box. Please refer that. Let's begin with video. Yes, today next type, that is type number 7. Hyperbole. Hyperbole, that is exaggeration of anything. नहीं समझे? Let me give you one example. Mama always tell you, I have told this thousands of times, but you are not listening. Is that so? That she has really told this thousands of times? No, na? But still she uses that dialogue. That I've told you thousands of times. Thousands is an exaggeration. So this is called hyperbole. Understood? Wait, I'm giving one more example of it. That is, I will bring you stars and moon from the sky. एक आशिक बोलता है. Is that so? That he is really going to bring stars and moon? No. So that is also example of hyperbole. So in reality, such things won't happen. That is just an exaggeration. Take one more example. I'm so tired that I will sleep for 1 year. सो के दिखा, कुंभकर्ण है, सो के दिखा 1 साल. Is it possible? No. So this is also hyperbole. So all these 3 examples are hyperbole examples. Hyperbole मतलब कुछ ज्यादा ही करते हैं, which is in reality it's not possible. Coming back to next type, that is type number 8. Paradox. Paradox is some contradiction. Contradiction means whenever you read that sentence, you will get confused with that. Wait, let me tell you one example you can easily understand. Example is, this is the beginning of end. 2 contradictory ideas. Beginning of end. So, you are confused with the statement. What's the meaning of this? Yeah, this is which type? Yes, this is paradox. So paradox means contradictory ideas are there. You can say opposite ideas are there, but you don't understand the sentence easily. But it enriches your sentence. It enriches your language. So figures of speech are nothing but ornaments of English, and you have to study them, right? So this was my example of paradox, that it is the beginning of end. Next, I will give you one funny example also. जैसे कि मुझ पर सिर्फ एक एहसान करना कि मुझ पर कोई एहसान ना करना. Yeah, that is a just filmy dialogue, but still this is also best example of paradox. 2 contradictory ideas are there. मुझ पे सिर्फ एक एहसान करना और मुझ पे कोई भी एहसान ना करना. These are contradictory ideas arranged together and you get little bit confused with the statement. That is which type? Paradox. Now coming back to next type. Our next type is climax. Now what do you mean by climax? Yeah, you must have heard about movie climax. Exactly same. Least important thing is first, then the story proceeds, then it proceeds, and the climax comes. This is climax. Less important, more important, most important in ascending order. For example, Alexander came, he fought, and he conquered. So least important is he came, he fought, more important, and he conquered the world, most important thing. So this is example of climax. Like movie climax, this is also example of climax. Next type is anticlimax. Opposite. Yes, just opposite of this. That is, most important thing is first, then less important, then least important. For example, in an accident, he lost his family, his car, his cell phone. So what is important here? For any person, what is important? He lost his family. That is important. So this is most important part of his life. After that, car. After that, cell phone. So what is that? Yes, that is anticlimax in descending order. I hope everything is clear. Very good. Now we are coming back to our last type, antithesis. Antithesis means opposite ideas are arranged together. Good, bad, large, small, like this. When Neil Armstrong went first on moon, he landed first on moon. What was his statement? His statement was, that's a small step for a man, but it was a giant step for the mankind. So two ideas, that is small and giant, came together. When two opposite ideas are came together, it is called as, yes, antithesis. I hope you understood everything. Today we have done 5 figures of speech. Today's number 1 was hyperbole. After that, paradox. After that, climax. Then anticlimax. And then antithesis. So in this video we have studied in all 5 figures of speech. Correct? No doubt. You should not have any doubt. Right? Chalo. Like me, subscribe me, share me, and maska. Yes, here you go.